Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and I am Ghazal. I hope you all are keeping safe and sound. Well, I know that the current pandemic has hit us hard and it's created a ruckus all around the corner. Things are getting better, it's getting stable and the wedding bells have started to ring again. So I thought why not to create this amazing Christian bridal look. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive in. I have absolutely nothing on my face. I just washed it and applied some serum. I protected it with a daycare cream. And do not forget to apply your sunscreen. I swear by it and believe you me, it does wonders. So sunscreen. So basically all my skin is all prepped up to be applied with makeup. So let's do it. Hair up because it's absolutely nonsense when you apply makeup. So here. Let's go in. So the foundation which I will be using is going to be an Estee Lauder foundation. It comes in ivory beige shade and it's a full coverage with SPF 10. And yeah, let's apply this first. Say that it's better to use a full coverage foundation, especially when you're going out for events or when you yourself are a bride. It's very important. So use a full coverage foundation and you can use any brand actually. So yeah, time to blend it. Next step totally depends upon your skin type and condition. So if your skin has a lot of blemishes and pigments, then definitely you have to use a concealer, else it will be all shown up in the videos and the photographs you will be clicked upon. At the end of the day, you are going to be the center of attraction, so that is very important for you. So like right now you can see I've got some zit spot and even here I've got some pimple, so I'll just be covering that up. If you have a very dark under eye area, then you definitely have to apply a corrector and a concealer over that area, because that's very important. So I'm just going to cover those errors on my face. Pro concealer, it's in my shade, so yeah, just don't overdo it, guys. Otherwise it's going to create a patch effect on your face. So I think whatever is required, just like very minutely, and time to blend it. All done. I think that's what I love about the concealer, especially LA Girl Pro, because it just doesn't create any sort of patch and it blends so well with any foundation if you apply it upon. I mean, it's crazily good. So yeah, you can invest in a good concealer if your skin is not always in an appropriate condition. And it's time to lock your foundation by applying the powder. So let's do this. Use a powder brush, dip it and dab it. Dip and dab, dip and dab. Locking and dapping and dipping is all done, and it's time to get on to the eyebrows. For the eyebrows, I'll be using the goof proof brown pencil in the shade 5 because that's the only color which matches. So comb your eyebrows first, create a shape you like to, and shade it in. The more natural it looks, the better it is. Don't try to create an impact of microblading because it's so damn visible and it is pretty obvious on your face. So just make it as subtle, especially for this particular look, wherein you're dressed like a floral, like you know that imperial diva, and then you have like eyebrows. I don't think so it goes really well. So just keep it as light as you can. Just make it even. I proceed to my favorite part, which is an eye makeup. Let me remind you of this amazing brand called Queen Beauty brand. It offers you a wide range and selection of beauty products at a very affordable price. I will be mentioning their link in my description. You can just click on it and check their website. In case if you decide to make any purchase, you can use the code which is being flashing on the screen right now to get an instant 8% discount on every purchase you make. So what are we waiting for? Grab it now. Get on to the eye makeup. I will be using the white color eyeshadow just to cover and create a canvas impact over my eye area. Let's do it. I'm going trying to keep my eye makeup to a very subtle level but yet very impactful, because I'm just going in that summery floral wave. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep it light but still very predominant. So let's do it. I decided to contour my eyes. So I'll be using this light brown shade just to create a contour impact on my eye. Contouring on my outer corner of the eyes is being done. But you know what is the best thing about wearing a Christian costume wedding is you are wearing white. You can play with any color you would like to. So why just stick to those conventional colors? Let's go for something really odd. Purple color. Let's try the purple color. I'm still thinking which purple should I use. Should I use this or should I go with the lavender one? Or maybe I can mix both. Let's mix it. Start applying the purple color from the inner corner of your eye and try to create a blend between the brown and the purple. Guys, it's actually looking very pretty. Nice, right? Let me show you the final result. Guys, it is looking very pretty actually. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same purple color to underline my eye. I mean, near the waterline area. So yeah, let me do it. The shading is being done, guys. Now with my ring finger, I'm going to use my broken highlighter. I'll just dip my finger in and just on the center. Using the same highlighter, the broken one, with my ring finger, I'll just do this area as well. The next choice is totally yours. Either you can go for the voluminous mascara. You have so many brands available and you can use any of those. Waterproof mascara, guys, okay, because there are a lot of emotional events during the wedding wherein you will end up crying and then your mascara will also come down along with your entire eye makeup. So make sure that you use the waterproof mascara. But I think I'm just gonna go over the board with these fake lashes. This is my recent current love, guys. So I'm going to apply these fake lashes on my eyelid. It gives a very vibrant look, especially for any sort of when you're a bride, you want to stand out, right? So I think this is the best thing you can do with your eyes. But if you're not interested, any waterproof mascara. But even though if you apply the eyelashes, just don't forget to coat your lower lashes, else it will look very awkward and out of the place. So the eye makeup is finally done and it's time to do the blush on and the contouring. Guys, let me remind you, have been a victim of it. Please do contour your face properly, else in the videos and in the picture you're gonna come out as very chubby. So a camera always puts on some extra weight on you. So do not forget to contour your face. That's very important. I'll be using the Deborah Milano palette. I will be mixing the blush on and the bit of contour. Remove the excess and then apply it. Alright, when we talk about the highlighter, I know we all like to glow with a highlighter, but when you're getting ready as a bride, please make sure that you use it to the minimum, because when you're being clicked or when you're being recorded, the highlighter actually does not come out as great as you expect it to be. So use it, but use it very wisely. The face makeup is almost done. Actually, it's all done, but I'm going to do my lips. So I'll be using a lip liner. Which brand is this? Max Factor lip liner, just to line my lips and then fill it. The lip lining is done. And actually it looks very nice, right? And I'll be using this hot pink color. So because it's very highly pigmented and you want to go over the board with any lip color when you're getting married, it's your damn day. So definitely use some fast colors, and I'm not going to go with the reds. I could have gone with brown, but I'm feeling so flowery. I'm just gonna go with pink. Okay, so let's do this. I had a dream.